If you experience difficulties during the creation of a campaign, or if you prefer to be assisted, the Book a Demo function is always available. By clicking on it, you will schedule a virtual meeting with our representative, who will guide you step by step in creating your campaign.
Hi Miriam, thank you very much for asking for a demo with Nanos.
You will be asked for basic information about your business, to create a personalized profile, and when you would like your campaign to start.
Hi Sasha, I own a flower shop and I need to go online.
We will proceed by identifying your goal and your ideal customer or target audience. Then, we will choose the platform for your campaign, whether it's Google, Facebook, or Instagram.
So what is it we're advertising today?
I wish I could deliver flowers home. And I wish
Now it's time to write descriptions for products or services. We described it in the best way to help Nanos machine learning technology to do its job in optimizing your campaign. We will ask you to enter your website now to automatically generate a preview of your campaign. And here is a preview of your advertising campaign for Google. You can review it and make appropriate changes. Our representative will guide you to optimize your campaign for other platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Now that the campaign is ready, you can set a budget for it, which will give you an idea of its duration. Nanos will do its part to use your allocated budget by that date, optimizing it daily by machine learning technology. Should you ever want to end your campaign earlier than planned, you are free to do so. You will receive a refund of your funds automatically. It's that simple. During and at the end of your campaign, you will receive a generated report on your campaign's performance.